The schematic suggests the ruby on the second tier might be a replacement.
The density reading confirms it. It doesn't match the primary structure.
I'll update the gemstone map.
Each element, like these crosses, encodes specific authority.
Indeed. Nothing here is purely...
Check the density reading on Sector 4.
Running the diagnostic now. The seating looks perfect.
The digital reconstruction confirms the structural integrity of the original design.
Remarkable. The stress points align perfectly with the models.
The crown appears active and authoritative. It is not stored, it is deployed. Deep within the royal vault lies the true origin of wealth. Gold, not as currency.
The load map shows the crown structure holds firm under pressure.
The historical data confirms its resilience.
The readout is stable, 99.99999%.
Flawless. Record the findings.
Check the density reading on Sector 4.
Running the diagnostic now. The seating looks perfect.
Check the radius on the lower arch against the specification.
It matches the archival reference precisely, no deviation.
We must ensure the crown adapts completely to the stone's natural shape.
It's conforming perfectly now. Look at the data points.
The technical specifications are verified, and the inclusions are within tolerance.
Provenance is clear.
Approved.
Secure the tray.
Custom settings are designed for each individual stone. Prong angles and seat depth are refined with precision. No setting is repeated. same techniques persist across centuries. Technology assists, hands decide.
Curves, joints, and contact points are checked for comfort. Nothing sharp or uneven remains. The crown is safe to wear.
And that is the final signature. It is officially complete.
Magnificent work, Doctor.
Look at the detail on the Cullinan II.
Exquisite. It meets all specifications.
Brilliance remains consistent. The visual authority is validated.
All identifiers verified. Proceed with sealing.
The crown is officially sanctioned.
This entry here confirms the acquisition date.
Yes, it cross-references with the 1952 inspection log. As the documentation states, the crown outlives individuals.
We reaffirm the handling instructions.
Unchanged through centuries. Design continuity is unmistakable. Time fails to erode purpose.
Only the crown remains.